What is going on, guys? Trinidad Adventure Seekers here. If you're new to the if you're new to this channel, I'm Matt.
And I'm Lovie.
And today we're on the North Coast Road heading to Rincon Waterfall.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We have Jess here with us again.
Hey.
And we got Jason. Let's go.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
Alright guys, so the hike has just started. We had to walk on a road before we actually reached the trail. We're about 2 minutes in on the trail here. And it's about 2 minutes in. I mean 2 hours in and 2 hours out. So carry your water, keep hydrated, and watch out for snakes on the trail.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through.
So you saw that lovely passion fruit is just here on the trail. We just passed through a man's yard. We're approaching the gate. There's a gate we have to pass through, and then we'll be continuing on the trail, maybe about an hour, and then we'll reach the falls.
Come on, Jessica, you can do it.
Try breathing in slowly through the nose.
Come on, Jessica.
What is nose?
Jessica. Ay, it's me.
Guys, she's taking all my water. She's taking all my water. Yeah, guys, so the hike is pretty tough. Nah, I'm just kidding.
He lie. He barely.
I'm bun, guys.
He's dying.
Nah, it is a bit of
Me
a...
and Jessica.
It's a bit of a pull, yeah. A lot of ups and downs,
Let's go.
as you can see. But Lovie is very adventurous, so yeah. Okay guys, so we're about to go down a rope here, and it's proven to be, oh my lord, very, very steep. So be careful. You know, the videos I saw online, this looked like nothing, but apparently it's so steep. It's almost like a 70-degree angle going down. Yeah, let's go.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire.
This is a very long trail down with this rope. There's 3 ropes.
Shining through, it's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Jess, are you good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Tu bueno.
Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío. Nice cocoa, guys. So we came to the close of this video. We hope you guys like this hike. Please share with a friend and click subscribe.
Click the bell to be notified for more videos in the future.
And as always,
Stay safe and stay
adventurous.
adventurous. Woo!